Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile to keep your information secure. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to protect your privacy with just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open up the Facebook app on your device. The steps are same for both Android and iOS device. Once you're in the app, click on the menu button and this will take you to the page with the several options. Next, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open your account settings. And here is where you can adjust various privacy and security settings for your profile. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled as Audience and Visibility. And this is where you can manage who sees your profile and your post. Depending on your location, you might see an option called Profile Locking. And if you're in a country where this feature is available, it will show up right here. Just tap on Profile Locking to proceed. And you will be taken to a confirmation screen where Facebook will explain what locking your profile does. Essentially, it restricts who can see your post, photos, and personal information to only your friends. And once you're ready, tap Lock Your Profile to activate it. And after you tap Lock Your Profile, Facebook will lock your profile immediately. And you will see a confirmation message that your profile is now locked, and only your friends can see the full details of your profile. And if you cannot see this option of profile locking, it is likely because this feature is not available in your country. Currently, profile logging is available in selected international regions, and if you are in a region where it is not available, you can still enhance your privacy by adjusting other settings, like who can see your post and who can send your friend request. To do this, go back to the audience and visibility and tweak the settings for post and friend request to ensure that only people you can trust can interact with your profile. These adjustments offer an extra layer of privacy, even if profile locking is not an option for you. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.